Here are several types of trading that individuals and institutions can participate in. Stock trading, buying and selling of publicly traded company stocks on stock exchanges such as the NYSE and Nasdaq. Options trading, a type of derivative trading where traders buy and sell options contracts that give them the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a particular asset at a set price. Forex trading, buying and selling of different currencies in the foreign exchange market. Commodity trading, buying and selling of raw materials and primary products such as gold, oil, and agricultural products. Cryptocurrency trading, buying and selling of digital or virtual currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum on cryptocurrency exchanges. Bond trading, buying and selling of debt securities issued by governments, corporations, or other institutions. Futures trading, a type of derivative trading where traders buy and sell contracts to buy or sell a particular asset at a set price and date in the future. Algorithmic trading, using computer programs and algorithms to automatically execute trades based on mathematical models and market data. Each type of trading has its own unique characteristics and risk-reward profiles, and it's important for traders to understand the basics before deciding which.